Are you wondering what it's going to take to be able to get started in life insurance or health insurance or annuity sales? Well, I'm going to give you the 4 simple steps that you can take so that you can take this career seriously and hopefully not become a casualty. The industry is amazing, and I'm so proud of you for even thinking about jumping into insurance sales. It's definitely a time tested and most noble profession. And we're going to get right into it. And I appreciate you taking the time with us today. Hope this is a help to you. So, number one in your 4 steps that you need to know is you need to really make sure you've got a good pre exam or pre licensing course. This is going to really prepare you for what's going to come next. A pre licensing course, a really good one, is Exam FX. It's a phenomenal course that's really going to prepare you with quizzes and mastery based learning. It's going to give you a lot of pre exams, a lot of practice quizzes, practice tests. You can do them over and over and over again. When you're getting those practice tests and practice quizzes at around 90 to 95% pass rate, now you're in a place where you should be prepared for number two, passing your state exam. The state exam is going to make you nervous. It's all right. Your head may feel like it's scrambled eggs right now, but if you've passed that pre exam course at a good percentage, take a deep breath. Everything's going to be okay. Once your state exam is passed and done and you're proctored in some states, whoo, take a deep breath. You don't have to do it ever again. This is powerful for you, but passing your exam is something that a lot of insurance agents think is very daunting. But there's agents that do the pre-licensing course and within 2 to 3 days are already ready to pass their state exam. And some have done it in even less time. But passing your state exam does not mean you're going to make lots of money. It's the privilege of becoming a life insurance and Medicare insurance and annuity agent. Definitely, though, make sure that when you get the pre exam course that you do life and health, even if right now you're not really thinking about diving into health insurance, because you want to be able to have that if you want to sell accidental death or you want to navigate into some other verticals in your sales career. I don't want you to have to go backwards and go do the test again. It's already tough enough. Let's just get it over with, rip the band-aid off once and then not have to do it again. Because a lot of agents, they'll get just the life insurance pre-exam course and just pass the life insurance exam. And then years later, they go, oh, darn it, I should have done that. And then they have to go back and it's a big pain in the britches. So definitely pass your life and health the first time around. And if you don't pass your exam in number two, where you can't pass your exam on the first run, give yourself some grace here. I know some amazing top performing life insurance and annuity and Medicare agents that didn't pass the exam on their first go ahead. You can do it again. Like I say, give yourself a little bit of grace. Once you get that license that says you are now a life insurance agent, you're a life insurance producer now. Now we got to focus on number three. This is probably the most important part of this video, and that's finding a very good partner in the business, because your state license, once you've passed your exam, does not allow you to get paid. It just means now you get the privilege of becoming a life insurance agent. And now the partners that you choose are so important. This is like tip number three is massive for you. If you're jumping into insurance sales, it's like a marriage. You got to look at this like a work marriage. If you want the best chance, not guarantee, of the business really working out, you can have a great partner. It's amazing. Have a bad partner and it drives you crazy and you want a divorce, right? Not good. But you got to be crazy committed and have a crazy good partner that is going to help you and mentor you so that you have a chance of making the money. The partners that you have will help you get contracted so that you can actually make some cash and make some commissions when you sell a policy. Your license, once you pass the exam, does not give you the privilege of getting paid. Your partners will help you get contracted and allow you that privilege. But your partner, very important. And I'm going to put a video up here. Watch that. It talks about how to pick the best IMO, FMO, NMO. That is very important. That video will be transparent for you before you jump in to a marriage that you find out, the makeup came off and this is not looking good right now. All right. So the partner that you choose is so important to either pushing you forward or flushing you out of the industry sometimes, because you want to make sure that whoever is training you has truly had high levels of success so they can help you understand that maybe what happened wasn't the best, but they're going to help you become the best insurance agent that you're capable of becoming. They're going to empower you. They're going to instruct you and strengthen you in your sales career. Your partner is so important, just like for you. If you have a good marriage, it's magical. And if you have a bad one, not good. You know what I'm saying, hopefully. But this is very important. You got to have good partners. And we do recruit agents nationally to sell life insurance, Medicare insurance, and annuities in our work family at jasonfinalexpense.com. And we'll give you free resources and advice no matter what work family you choose. We appreciate you. But your partner is very important. Now, number 4 is also equally important for you if you're thinking about jumping into insurance sales. You've got your pre-exam course. You're done. You now passed your insurance exam. Phenomenal. You've got hopefully your life and health exam passed. Now you're like, okay, I'm ready to stack paper. Well, find a good partner. Number 3, like our work family, or maybe another one that's good for you, and they're going to get you contracted so that you can actually make cash flow from the insurance companies and get paid, right? It's kind of important. You want paychecks, right? Well, number 4 is important. You got to understand you've got a license, you've got the contract, you've got the ability that when you sell a policy, you can get paid. But now we've got to put 100% of us into this business. Understand the insurance industry is an effort business. It's a performance-based business. If you perform, you get paid. If you don't, you won't. So it's like I can say I'm an insurance agent. I can say I'm licensed. I can sell a lot of different companies, but I'm not going to make a single cent if I don't put 100% of myself into this business, especially at first. It's trying to like get a rocket to the moon. You've got to have this big boom and this big burst of energy. When you first start in your insurance career, you're going to be excited, right? You can't stop, my friends. You cannot stop. You've got to put 100% of what you say you want into this business. Understand it's an industry where some days you're overpaid, some days you're underpaid. You can get triple digit commission grids. It's magical. Where if you're selling insurance, it's a big deal. You're a top producer, you're taking it to the moon. But if you're an insurance agent that doesn't sell policies, you're staying on the ground. You're not making a single cent. So you got to understand this industry is all about those that do or those that get. And I want you to get the best handshake in the industry with your commission grids, with your work family, with your partners. But I'm very proud of the fact that you're thinking about diving into insurance sales. It's a very just exciting industry when you get to make people's lives better and when you can take care of folks and bring the right checks at the right time when bad days come. There's no better place than to guard others and understand the business is solid. It's not going away. It's an insane business to be in when you put an insane effort and hustle into helping others, your prospects, getting what they want. If we can give you any resources or advice, or if you need a good work family to call a home, jasonfinalexpense.com. Hope this video helped you understand really how simple it is to dive into the industry, but also how important it is to have good partners and good contracts so that you can have a chance of capitalizing. Remember, my friends, you've got what it takes, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'll see you soon.